Welcome to Tech Manual. If you are new here, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and always share our videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to use a formula for you to compare in between the cells and to know if you have the information type is correct or it's false just by using a formula. So the first thing you are going to do is make sure that you have data that you are going to compare with. So you can type Tech manual, then the other one can type manual tech. So that's one pair. You have different texts. You have Tech manual, then you have manual tech. Then here you can use the same Tech manual. Just autofill. Then here you can also use the same Tech manual, so they're matching. Then you can use different, you can say Excel, and then Word, and you can have work and work. Yeah? You can have proceed, and then continue. Sorry, you can have proceed, and then you can have continue. We can have complete and complete. Then you can have compare and differentiate. Yeah. And then you can have delete and erase. Then you have space and space. Okay, that's enough. Now we have different details here. So what we are going to do here, we are going to use different formula or just a formula to compare in between this cell A and cell B. That is of column A and column B. So we are going to apply a formula for us to be able to compare if the details of column A is same as the details for column B. So in column C, it's where we are going to do our comparison. In this comparison, we are going to use a formula. So as usual, we are going to start with an equal sign. After writing an equal sign, we are going to select the cells that we need to compare, starting with cell A1. Then you write again an equal sign. We compare it with cell B. So this is simply saying we are going to compare if cell A is equal to cell B. So if we are going to check if is it true that the values of cell A is the same as the values of cell B1. If it's the same, the answer we are going to get is true, and if it's wrong, we're going to get the answer as false. I hope we are going together. So you can type that is cell A1, is it equal to cell B1? Is it true or false? You click enter or return according to the type of your keyboard. We are able to see that it is false, that cell, it's false to say cell A1 is equal to cell B1. Why? Because in cell A1 we have the word is Tech manual, and the cell in B1 is manual tech. That's why we are getting the answer is false. Then we can autofill, or we can drop down this formula to the last result that we want to get. So here we are able to see different answers. Number one, we have false. That is take manual is not the same as manual check. Then number two is true, because we have take manual in A1, A2, and then B2 we also have take manual. Then we have false because this Excel in this word. True, why? Because this work is the same as work. Then we have false because you have proceed, then you continue. Those are two different words. Then this is true because complete is just the same as complete. Then compare and differentiate is different. Those are different words. That's why we have false. Then delete and erase. Those are two different words. That's why we are getting false. Then we have space and space. That's exact same one. That's why we have true. So guys, using this formula, just an equal sign, and then you select the first cell, and then another equal sign for the following cell that you want to compare between the two. Usually comparison is just between two things, so it's between two columns. So that's why you will always get to know if you've typed repeating repeating text, or you are good to go. Guys, stay tuned in for the next video as we continue learning more about Excel.